Good morning everyone, good day, good afternoon to all of you. Back with another video for our Selective Instinct episodes. For this episode po, episode number 2. So for this episode, we'll show you our brood pen number 14, Larry Romero Grays. The brood stag in the picture is actually bull stag na po ito. Pure Larry Romero Gray. Mated with his cousins actually. This is another set of straight breeding, grays to grays. So we hope to produce materials out of this. Originally, we got this from Larry Romero a few years ago, and we made it a point to refresh them every year by acquiring the same lines so that maiwasan po yung magkaroon ng mga inbreeding depressions. They're just medium stationed roosters and pullets at silver gray in colors when they are. So, dun po sa mga nagtatanong kung may effect po ba yung paggamit ng broodstag na pungos or may palong at may palong yung iba, sa akin pong experience wala po silang diferensya. Gumagamit po kami ng mga manok na pungos na sa kahit sa breeding. We did not see any significant difference dun po sa mga offspring nila, kung pungos man yan or hindi. So yun po yung aming Larry Romero Grays. At dun po sa nag-ask ng question kung ano po yung beddings ng aming breeding pen, ito nga po pala ay buhangin, no? And pinapalitan po namin to or dinadagdagan almost every 5 days. Maganda po yung buhangin kasi hindi po nadudumihan yung itlog, lagi po silang dry at hindi po maalikabok. So thank you po ulit for watching. Again, ito po yung aming pen number 14, Larry Romero Grays. We will have offspring from this mating come December for locals. Thank you po ulit.